I can. So would you mind sharing with us what workshops should be doing now to maintain battery management practices now that we're coming out of a lockdown?
Yeah, the key takeout really is to ensure that every time a vehicle enters a workshop is to carry out a battery test, irrespective of whether it's a planned maintenance, service inspection, interim or vehicle off-road. By doing this, we'll find we'll pick up early detection of problems with batteries before they cause a non-start or defect. And then more importantly, following that through with the charging of the battery if it needs to be charged to ensure the battery and smooth operation of that vehicle going forward.
So why is it important for workshops to follow these guidelines?
Yeah, the key reason behind that really is by doing things proactively, by testing the battery at every opportunity, we can identify any imminent defect that's likely to be present in the vehicle and therefore minimising the risk of a future roadside defect or problem. And following that through then with charging the batteries up to ensure that they're in a good, healthy condition.
What benefit to the workshop?
The workshop means they can be more productive by doing planned maintenance rather than ad hoc activities at roadside, etc. And it also ensures that the cost drivers within the business are maintained and kept to a bare minimum.
Thanks, Ken.